get in order to achieve the task. So here we are, and I'm gonna show you. We have it actually on my left hand side, one of the compartment or department, you can say it. Here we have mixed it up. Actually I am lack of place right now because we have so many birds over here, and maybe mostly people who they are expert in this kind of business, they will not agree that you have to extend immediately your place. So that we are working it out, and we are working on it. So here we have Sasso Brown. They have been almost like for 30 plus days. We have it Astrolabe. If you can see it, also I will get inside. We have it here, Sasso Brown. We brought it this 2 days chicks, and alhamdulillah so far they are grown enough. And the reason behind this one, why we have brought this breed, that we have attention to have eggs from them in the future, and we are waiting when they will grow up. And by the way, actually we are treating our birds over here as our pet. As you can notice that they are very friendly. Whenever we are coming to them, we are playing with them, we are spending time with them. And that's the reason, because when you will love your birds and pets, the Allah will give you blessings. You have to take care of them, you have to give them proper feed on time, not to starve them, take care of their water, their food always should be there. So at least whatever the maximum potential from as a human we can do towards them, and the rest of the thing is in God hand, in Allah hand. That of course there is mortality ratio is there, and but you can control it. You can control it with your efforts, but of course 100% you cannot control it, because the reason behind this one, there is secret things which we don't know from God, from Allah, that how He is gonna give you the risk. And through these birds we have our willingness that not only this is we took it as a interest, as a hobby wise, and to make a system, something for our business in the future, inshallah. So may Allah, the risk will give it to us. They will give us, He will give us blessings, and inshallah khair. So we have over here, you can see it, quails over here. They are also laying eggs as well. We are using for eggs only. And as I said, this Sasso Brown also in the future also our attention, that for the eggs itself, they will gonna give us eggs. So we have around this 50 heads of Sasso Brown so far, and alhamdulillah I'm happy. The mortality rate is 0 so far in this breed. So alhamdulillah. And just in the morning time we will just leave them open. This is the one of the Astrolabe. Actually we had bought also this chicks, but Astrolabe I'm still learning. We are curious. This kind of breed, it has to be 100% black or not, because as you can see that they have some shades, some dots of gray and white and these things. So we are still learning, and here we have it our native chickens. This is also, we have 2 cocks over here and around 9 hens. So this is, they are started already laying eggs so far. And this is my little girl. Oh my god, she always over here, and she loves to play with the chickens, always playing with them, and she is helping us. Yes, Habza, come follow with Baba. Okay, where are your pets? And here we have it some rabbits. So we have, as you can see, the big, the grown enough, they are male rabbits, and we had brought them female too, which you can see in my previous video how we had bought it from one of the pet local shop. And so far, so this we have one of the section for them. Hafza, shall we proceed? Yalla, come. Yes, so here we have Ducks, so far we are not much strong enough at the moment in ducks so far, but I wish in the future we are planning to bring more plenty of ducks, maybe from the eggs we have it, which we are hatching. And so far I'm gonna show you, I have 7 little ducks baby so far, alhamdulillah. So with the grace of mighty Allah, so we have it over here. 1 brown is male and the 3 is female. So here, this is the department for them. And this we have some as a pet wise. We have this guinea pig. This is some people, they are familiar with this kind of like it's like rat, but they are not exactly rat or hamster, but this is a guinea pig. Okay, and maybe my pronunciation is not much good because still I'm learning. Here in the daytime we are just putting this kind of birds over here in the sunlight, so at least they can absorb sunlight, whatever the maximum what we can get during the daytime. So there are also some birds over here. Yes, this is one of our the good breed over here, which we have the attention for Rhode Island chicken. So they are almost like 50 days. Okay, and this is my pet. This is my pet. Quick, 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 quick. Come, come. How are you, baby? You all good? You all good? Come. You are hungry? You are hungry? We have a food over here. We will give you food now. Oh my God, they had finished already the food, so we will put the food now. And this is the astrolabe. And Rhode Island. Okay, just keep this camera over here. In the meanwhile, you can enjoy. See this kind of bird we have it. We can take care of them. So she's looking for the food. So that's why she jumped on my arm and looking for the food. Yes, we will give you food. We will give you food. Just wait, wait. I will bring you the food. Here it comes. Yalla, quick, quick. Come everybody, yalla, have it. This is the one. This is mine. Come, come, come. Oh, you quick, quick. This is actually hatched by incubator, and since that one bird is attached too much to us, and it will come to you. Actually, there is one story behind this one. There was hen chicken. Unfortunately, she died. So that hen and this goose baby, they hatched together in the same time, same moment, and they live with us all together. Just day before yesterday, the partner of him or her, still I don't know what is the gender for this, so it's passed away. So this is every day another part of this farm that you will find every day and now some casualty in the form of some birds mortality. So this is everything all in the hand of God and Allah. So whatever the maximum what we can control over here, we are doing it from our side to give them the good premises, good environment in the shape of like these areas, give them the proper platform, the bed for the dry grass, to maintain well, maintain cleaning every day and now, and give them the food and the water always. That's the maximum that we can do it from our side, and the rest everything, you know, that we can leave it for Allah, the goats, and definitely He is the one who is giving us all of us the food, the rice, and so on. And here we go. We have it goose, and as you can see that there are 3 female goose inside sitting on the eggs, and we are expecting much more babies to be hatched very soon, so that's good. Here we have some different kinds of plants for vegetables which we are using it, and the birds are here open right now. Then in the evening we will put them in their each department and so on. This is the part behind this connected with the goose, and there are some chickens over here. These are the one of the video you have seen. Mashallah, they are grown enough, this baby, mashallah. And as you can notice that since they hatched, we had there is one video I already shared in my previous videos that we had handover to their parents. So since onward, now they are not familiar with us, they are not coming to us because they are living with their parents. Whereas you had seen the other goose which earlier I had shown you. That's my experiment actually. I was just wanted to do that purposely, that if I will keep with this baby with me, what's gonna happen. So alhamdulillah, they are familiar with us, they are coming to us. But this, no, he's standing a little bit far from me, maybe scared. Come on, come on, come on, I'm not gonna say you anything. Come. Okay, and here we come. We have it already 4 more, mashallah, that goose babies, brown, and we have 7 ducks babies. So we just give them this environment for the time being, the warm area, that they will be this much of capable to survive the outdoor weather. And we are giving the warm atmosphere over here, and they are living together over here, alhamdulillah. And they are almost like plus or minus, because there are different gaps in their hatching period itself. So almost like 1 week and then onward. So, and there are some ducks which some couple of they are hatched yesterday, some 2 days before, some 3 days before, some 4 days before. And one of the video there was 6 ducks together, so they was hatched alternatively, like day by day, the difference. And this is the one of the baby broiler chicks we have it over here. And still we are learning. Actually locally we are getting plenty of different varieties in this breeds. Some breeds they are very quick to grow, some breeds unfortunately like this one is not growing much faster. So still we are in learning process, and I would like to say that if somebody is watching right now, just give me the advice that what kind of broiler breed we should bring it in our farm to grow it, because this, can you imagine it, they are